Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Katie and I'm on a journey to simplify my life, organize my home and embrace some kind of minimalism, especially as I prepare for the upcoming arrival of our little one. Today we are tackling a part of that journey. I'm going through our games and random things around the house. If you are on a decluttering journey too, or just want some decluttering motivation, this video is for you. Let's dive in. Right now we got more games than what fits in our TV console. I'd really love to get everything to fit neatly in one spot, so it's easier to find and put away. Just more simplified and tidy overall. This video is part of my Whole House Declutter series, so make sure you stay tuned for future videos where I'll be tackling other spaces. Let's get to the decluttering. I start by asking myself some simple questions, because honestly, decluttering isn't just about throwing things away, it's about making space for what truly matters. So I ask myself, does this item still add value to our lives? If it doesn't serve a purpose or spark joy, it's probably time to let it go. For example, we have a ton of board games that we haven't played in a very long time. We often have friends or family over for game nights, but realistically, we haven't played these games in a long time, or we just don't like it anymore. So I'm going to donate a few of these and keep just the ones we know we'll actually want to play. And the other question I ask myself, is this something we will realistically use again? This question I can also ask myself when I'm going through my whole house, just very quickly to find some stuff that we no longer need. For example, I've been holding on to many greeting cards myself. I think I will use them for gifts, but I always find another or have others that I like more. So I'm realizing that I probably won't use them, and they're just taking up space. Letting go of them will make our home feel lighter, so I will declutter 9 greeting cards. You will see it later in the video. When you're doing your own decluttering, I really recommend you create 3 piles: keep, donate and maybe. This helps me stay organized. So on the left side is the games I want to keep, and on the right side is the games I want to donate. Now, with the maybe pile, I don't end up with any maybes today, but if I had, I would ask myself, have we used this in the last year? And if the answer is no, out it goes. And for the items that are in good condition, but I don't need anymore, I will either donate or sell, or give to friends and family. Some of our board games don't have their original boxes anymore. I got rid of the bulky packaging to save space in the TV console, especially when the contents didn't really need such a big box. I know that it might make them harder to pass on or resell later, but for us it was the only way to store all the games we actually enjoy. And we always go through our stuff every so often to see if we still like and use what we kept. I'll just add today's donate pile to the box of donations that I've been collecting over the past few weeks when I filmed this series. Once my husband had a chance to check the games I've set aside as donations, later this afternoon, I'll bring the stuff to donation center and some of the things to recycling. When organizing, always think about the space you have available. It's tempting to keep more than we need, but we are living in a smaller space, so I have to be honest about what can fit and what needs to go. As I said earlier, my goal is to have all our games fit neatly inside the TV console. That way, they're easy to access and have a home. It's all about creating a functional environment that works for our lifestyle, not about holding on to things that no longer serves us. I'm going to take a quick look around the house off camera and gather anything I find that can be decluttered today. I'll lay everything out on the dining table so that you can see what I found. And remember, the goal here is simplicity. It's not about keeping everything, but about keeping what you love, use and need. If it's not bringing any value into your life or your family's, it's okay to let it go. And here's the 9 greeting cards I talked about earlier. I had them for many years now. Time to donate. I'll count all the magnets in this bag as one item. I'm so excited to see how much more space I have now that I've gone through this decluttering process. My goal is to create a home that's calm, organized and functional. That means letting go of the things that don't serve us anymore and making room for the things that do. Yesterday, my husband already gave me a few things he wants to declutter, like his old robe and a couple of shirts that were stained and pretty worn out. It's great when we both take the time to go through our stuff, and it makes the process faster and more efficient. It's a reminder that decluttering doesn't always have to be a solo task. It's nice to have support from your partner in simplifying your space. And soon we will tackle Kevin's clothes together in another video. Today I let go of 8 games and 31 random things around the house. So I decluttered a total of 39 items. I hope this video gave you some decluttering inspiration and that you are feeling motivated to tackle your own home. If you are on your own minimalism journey or need some support in simplifying your home, let me know in the comments section and let's support each other. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss any future videos in this series. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.